It will be a Christmas with a difference this year. Safety will be at the forefront of it all. Reverend Sharon Nell from the Anglican Church will deliver her annual Christmas service under strict COVID-19 regulations. She says her focus this year will be on children. But in the township, most churches remain closed, like the Bantu Church of Christ. This church attracts over 2 million congregants during this period. Bishop Dr. John Bolana will live stream his service.
Ifika ke ngoku Christmas yalonyaka ngexesha elinzima kakhulu ngenxa yalombulalazwe. Christmas
comes at a bad time for most South Africans. We instructed our church members not to come to Port Elizabeth this year due to COVID-19. We are unable to have our normal conference this year, but we are going to live stream.
It's time for Christmas. We need to celebrate. Christmas hasn't been cancelled. We're still going to celebrate with joy the birth of the Christ child. We have services taking place from tomorrow. We have a crib service, which is a service for the children. Obviously, we have to take into account all the protocols that there are. There's social distancing, there's the wearing of masks, there's the sanitization. So the children come, they build the crib where the baby Jesus was born.
Many families are suffering under the negative impact of the pandemic. There are those that will not be able to visit their loved ones this season. They understand that safety comes first.
Definitely, COVID has made a huge difference on our lives. It has changed the way we are doing things. Christmas will be different this year, obviously because of COVID-19, as we are unable to take our kids to churches, to the beaches, especially Nelson Mandela, which has been declared a hotspot. It even puts a bigger strain on such activities, which are mostly family activities. Enjoyed by families. And also remember, this is the time where families that are far away come into town and visit their homes, which we cannot receive at this moment because Nelson Mandela has basically been branded as the pariah of the country.
2020 has been a very difficult year, for all of us. Things have changed, we are living now in a difficult time. Usually on Christmas, there is no Christmas in this year that I've never attended church. This is going to be the first one. It's going to be difficult, especially for my children, because every Christmas we go and celebrate Mass. It's a birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. But now things have changed. We are forced that we are staying at home.
It is with great sadness that we as Christians, we can't celebrate our Christmas festivities whilst we will be part of the congregations. However, I'm saying we'll rather wait and see how this COVID, is treating us. As soon as, things could be better next year, we could be able to congregate as Christians and celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ as our belief.
Beaches in the Eastern Cape also will remain closed until the 3rd of January. Zolani Moya, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.